Hi, I'm Dr. Kilvin, and if you have knee pain, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to teach 4 exercises, simple and easy, that will provide quick and lasting relief for your knee pain. These exercises will help by acting on the muscles and tendons around your knee. Therefore, they help with both bursitis and tendinitis, arthritis, meniscus injury. These are simple exercises, easy ones that you can do at home. And before starting these exercises, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for notifications so you can receive more videos like this from this channel. And by doing this, you help me a lot with my work here on YouTube, bringing these videos to help more and more people. Exercise number 1. For this exercise, you will need 3 things that you have at home. First, 1 spoon, then some cream. It can be a massage cream, an oil, moisturizing cream. If you have a cream with arnica, which has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, to glide with this spoon over the knee. And the third component is your messed up knee. Just kidding. This spoon needs to have a thicker handle so it doesn't hurt the skin, because we are going to use it to perform a myofascial release, relaxing all the tense muscles, contributing to your knee pain. Tilt the spoon at about 45 degrees and give yourself a massage, starting with the inner region of the thigh. Make a slow movement up and down, sliding with the spoon. After 30 seconds of doing this movement, you will probably start to feel relief from your pain. Additionally, you will notice that you will start to see a pinkish mark here on my skin. This means that I stimulated an increase in blood flow, and this is good for stimulating the healing of your knee. But in this specific area, at this moment, I have to be very careful with the pressure I apply. Of course, to avoid hurting my skin. By doing this technique, I notice some more sensitive spots in the muscle, sensitive to pain. Usually these areas are stiffer, and I notice this as I pass with the spoon. I can feel this by passing with my finger. It can also be a trigger point. When I find a trigger point, my goal is to release this adhesion with the spoon, improving my knee pain here. For example, there is a muscle that is part of a muscle group called quadriceps. What you do now is repeat the movements with the spoon all over the front part of the thigh. Then do the same on the back of your thigh, over the muscles we call hamstrings. Also do it on the calf. And besides that, you need to be very careful not to pass the spoon over any bone. Only pass this spoon over the muscles to avoid injury. Exercise number 2. This exercise you can do anywhere, at home, at work, and all you need to do is sit high enough so that your feet don't touch the ground. Now rotate your foot inward and outward, like a windshield wiper. But pay attention, the knees must not move. If you move your knee like this, it means the exercise is wrong. To help you avoid this mistake, I'll give you a very simple tip. Press your hands above your thigh. This will prevent you from making a mistake in this exercise. Therefore, turn your foot inward and outward as much as you can. And now continue this exercise by stabilizing your thigh. The secret of this exercise is that you shouldn't feel pain. So if you feel pain at any point in this movement, reduce the range of motion by doing the movement until just before the pain starts. So don't go all the way. Go to about until it starts to hurt. And then you'll have a range, safe to continue doing this exercise. And this exercise you just learned has great potential to relieve knee pain in a simple and easy way. Repeat for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This knee brace you're seeing in the video is great for knee pain. I personally use it and prescribe it to my patients. But look, pay attention, a knee brace that works has to be a simple knee brace like this one. Nothing too fancy. And notice that this knee brace is closed here in the middle. It doesn't have that little hole that many knee braces have. I don't know why they invented that, but that hole removes the main component that a knee brace needs to have, which is to press the kneecap against the femur. That's what alleviates the pain. Therefore, if you have a knee brace with a hole in it, you don't need to buy another one. You just turn it around to the back, and then you'll have the front part closed, and the little hole that doesn't serve any purpose will be at the back. Exercise number 3. For this exercise, all you need to do is straighten your knees, creating tension in the thigh, for 5 seconds. Therefore, straighten the knee and count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you will slowly return again. Straighten the knee, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and once again you return slowly. Do this exercise for 3 sets and 10 repetitions. And if you want to increase the challenge, put on an ankle weight to make this exercise heavier, or improvise this ankle weight with some weight that you have at home. Some people have difficulty doing this exercise because of chondromalacia, the teller, a wear behind the kneecap. So if you felt pain because you have chondromalacia, or for some other reason, I will teach an alternative. That's quite nice for this exercise. And what you will do is the following. You avoid fully straightening the knee. If you felt this pain, do not fully extend the knee. Instead, go only halfway through the movement. Count to 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the halfway point and return slowly. Doing this also for 3 sets and 10 repetitions, you will feel great relief. This exercise will be very beneficial for your knee pain. Exercise number 4. For this exercise, sit on a chair and use another one for support. Before starting this exercise, make sure and ensure that no chair will slip. Another way to do this exercise is to sit in front of a window and hold on to the base of the window for support, as this will also work. All you need to do is stand up and sit down, focusing very slowly, for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This is an exercise to improve pain by strengthening the knee muscles. If you feel pain now for this exercise, I also have an alternative for you. It's an alternative somewhat similar to the previous exercise. Reduce the range of motion so you don't need to do a full squat sitting on the chair. The movement can be about halfway or a little more than halfway. So you can indeed reduce the range of motion, and over time you will gain more range, trying to bring your hip to the chair. But really, in the beginning, you can do it this way. If you feel pain, it's better to do it with limited range than not to do the exercise at all. I hope I have helped you with these tips and exercises to improve knee pain. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with as many people as possible to help other people, and we will spread this channel like a chain of good. For those who made it to the end of this video, if you have any questions, leave them here in the comments. I read all of them with great care. I will leave here a playlist with several other videos that can help you on the topic of knee pain. Thank you very much to those who stayed till the end of this video. See you next time. Bye.